Hi, this is K. Savanan, Assistant Professor from the Department of IT, KS Semiconductor College of Technology, Namakkal. In this class, we can see the operating system and its basic components. First, we can see what is the operating system. The operating system is a set of special programs that run in a computer system that allow it to work properly. It performs basic tasks such as recognizing input from the keyboard and keeping track of files and directories on a disk, sending output to the display screen and controlling the critical devices. OS is designed to serve two basic purposes: it controls the allocation and the use of the computer system resources among the various users and the task. The next is it provides an interface between the computer hardware and the programmer that simplifies and makes visible of coding, creation, debugging, and application programs. In a computer has two set of programs, one is hardware programming and the software programming. Hardware programming consists of memory, CPU, I/O devices, arithmetic logic units, critical devices, and storage devices. And that means the system program consists of the compiler, loader, editor, OS, and etc. The most important program that runs a computer is the OS. Every system or computer must have an operating system to run the other programs. Without OS, we can run any set of programs. The OS controls the coordinate of the use of the hardware among the various system programs and application programs various users. It simply provides an environment within which other computer can do useful works. Then next one is the history of the operating system. The operating system has been evolved through the years. The first generation of the OS is the vacuum tubes in the year 1940-55. The second generation is the transistors, which is a batch system. The type of OS is a batch system in the year 1955-65. And next, the third generation is the integrated circuits. This is a multi-programming OS in the year 65-80. And next to the fourth generation is the large-scale integrated system for PC since 1980 onwards. Then types of the operating system and its services. An operating system is a user interface and a program execution and I/O operations, file system manipulation, communication, and error detection. The user interface. Then user interface and program execution, I/O operation, file system management, communication, error detection. These are the major services in operating. Without using the services, we cannot run the programs or run the other applications, etc. The next one is a system call. System calls are the program interface to service provided by OS, typically written in the high-level languages such as the C or C++. So mostly accessed by the program by a high-level application program interface rather than the direct access system. So direct system call use. Three most common application program interfaces means the Windows 32. Then next POSIX basic system. Then for Unix, Linux, and Mac OS purpose. Then Java application program interface for Java virtual machines. The next one is the types of system call. In the system call, we have 5 major categories. The first one is the process control. The second one is the file management. And third one is the device management. Then fourth one is the information maintenance. And last one is the communication. In this process control, file management, device management, information and communication are major category. In this file management Logically related data items and the secondary storage are usually organized into a named collection called files. The activities of the file manager is creating, deleting a file, and mapping file into secondary storage, or creating or deleting a directories, backup file on storage devices, then supporting primitives for manufacturing files and directories, transmission of the file elements between main and the secondary memory. The next one is the process control. The main performance is to run the program. The process abstraction is a fundamental operating system mechanism for the management of concurrent program execution. The operating system responds by creating a process or terminating a process. The next one is the device management. The device management will manage the entire process, information maintenance, and what are the files in the system to maintain the main memory. Then communication is the internet sharing the information like that. Normally the communication is sharing the information from one device to other device like that. The information will be maintained in this program. The next one is the system program. I already told in this file management what is categorizing is creating a deleting a file, mapping file into a secondary storage, and creating and deleting a file. That is a file manager. Most important, create, delete, copy, rename, print, list, etc. Then is a status information. For example, in desktop we can see the status in the bottom of it. For example, date and time, what are the printer, the net connection status, then memory status, like that. And it's a file modification is a text editor and file sets. Programming language suppose a compiler, linker, interpreter. Then program loader and execution loader. Then communication is a virtual link or send or receive messages from one device to other devices, or one system to other systems. Then application program is web browser, then official sites, etc. The next one is the operating system structure. Every device we have a structure, proper structure, then only we can implement the proper functions. In this operation we have a simple structure. The simple structure MS-DOS is written to provide the most functionality in the least space, not divided into models. Almost allows some structure at an interface level for functional units not well separated. And MS-DOS layer structure. In this is the application programs and result system programs, MS-DOS device driver, and the ROM BIOS device drivers. This is the structure of the MS-DOS layer. It is a simple layer structure. And next one is the layered structure. In this layer we can use n number of layers. First one start with the hardware layer 2, then end with the user interface. In this more number of user can be integrated with the hardware layer. For example, nowadays we are using a multi-sharing system. In a common sense, we can share a system at anywhere in any place through the network. Like that, n number of users can be accessed in this layer approach. Then is microkernel system structure. This microkernel system structure moves as much from the kernel into user space. Communication takes place between end user modules in message passing. Benefits means easier extended microkernel, easy to port the operating system to new architectures, more reliable means less code is running in kernel mode. And next one is the most secure. Security is the major part in this OS. Then is the problem is the performance overhead of user space of kernel space communication. Then Finally, in this microkernel operating system, we can easily handle this process. And thanks for watching about the operating system and its basic components. Thank you.